Why just renovate your bathroom when you can turn it into a spa? Hey, good to see you again. Dan Eckhart with Straight Line Construction. I'd love to show you this new vanity installed with all of its wonderful features. When designing a vanity, storage is key. From right to left, we started with a linen closet, which was cohesive with the modern floating vanity. Over to the faucet, we went with a sleek, modern champagne bronze to give it a personal touch. Stressful day at work, wanting to relax in your tub, but can't because your knees are to your chest? Give Straight Line Construction a call today, where we can help custom select the tub for you so that you can relax. Knees hurt? Back hurt? Upgrade your old jetted tub to a hydrotherapy tub. These unique holes allow air bubbles to help you relax and enjoy your evening soak. On this shower remodel, we chose to eliminate the curb, making a seamless zero entry look. You'll notice we don't have the drain in the center of the shower. We chose to hide it in the back with a linear drain. Following that concept up the wall, we chose the polished tile, minimizing grout joints. And without wanting to interrupt this gorgeous look, we took the opportunity to hide the shower valve and the niches around the corner. Call Straight Line Construction today to turn your ordinary bathroom into your dream spa.